How to fold a mini book. 8.5 by 11 paper, horizontal, fold in half. This won't be perfect, of course. All right, super. Fold in half again, the other way. Bring it back to horizontal and fold the right side to the center, crease, flip flop, fold back, flip flop, fold back. Simple. You just have, as it looks horizontally, you now have a paper that has center folds and then 3 folds, accordion folds. Accordion, that's it. Now, what you do, fold that paper in half. You're going to take the center fold and cut up that line, the center fold line, all the way to the first, right to that first fold. And that's it. Not any further. So now you have a piece of paper with, okay? You're going to grab these two and simply bend down and fold out. Just, that's it. It's easy. It looks a little strange, a little difficult, but that's how you do it. It's just a real quick way to make a mini book for the kids. And then you can either have them color it, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark each page to show how it goes up. And now page number 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have to do arrows, of course. I like to do everything a little bit more difficult, I guess. So this is the back of the book. And then when you open it, you can see where your artwork will be. So whether you want to, you see how there's 4, 5, 6, 7 is going up one way, and 1, 2, 3 starts here, and 8 is there. I mean, how simple is that? So you could create some artwork, print that to that piece of paper, then do your folds, and then you have a cute little book. And if you don't fold it right, you'll know. There we go. Yeah, if you don't fold it right. Okay. You'll get it. Whatever. You'll figure it out. I don't know why 3 is gone, but okay. That's how you do it.